magic elevator. One rainy evening, I was walking home from school. Suddenly, it started raining heavily. To escape the rain, I went inside an old tall building. There was one elevator, but it was in golden color. Next, I stepped inside, but there was no numbers, only buttons like underwater kingdom, future world, dream world, land of dinosaurs. I got excited and pressed dream world. Inside there was the clouds. The elevator flew up like a rocket. When the doors opened, I was in the sky. Clouds were like cotton candy and rainbows were colored with bridges, and the sun winked at me. Next, I pressed land of dinosaurs. There was big dinosaurs and a baby dinosaurs gave me a huge flower. Then I pressed future world. Suddenly I was under the sea. Fish wore crowns, jellyfish glowed, and even I rode on a dolphin. Next I pressed the button of kingdom. Inside there was magic robots and flying cars. And robot whispered to me, who believe the magic? They are good. Magic are real. Thank you.
A wonderful morning to everyone. I am Ovida from grade 6, Green Valley School, Cbse. I am here to narrate a story. I am free or captain, you will be my magical. There was a boy named Sharma. He went to school. On math period, his teacher taught him about factors and multiples. When he went to his home, after eating, he slept. He got a dream that it is a magic world. He was in the magic world where the numbers can speak and play. He talked to the number 2 while the number 2 says, my best friend is number 4. Then Sharma asked, why number 4 is your best friend? And the number 2 told, I don't know, but we can ask to my teacher number 10. They asked to their teacher number 10, and the teacher explained that the number 2 is factor of number 4 and the number 4 is multiple of number 2. This makes understood Sharma how the factors and multiples are friends. And Sharma after that he conveyed this to his friends, parents and teachers. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I am Nitashi from grade 7. I am studying in Green Valley Cbse School. Today I am going to tell a story about working with fractions. It was Friday afternoon. Sita's class had just finished their annual exams. To celebrate, she brought 3 large sizes of pizzas. The first pizza has cut into 8 pieces. She told with a smile, now we will solve a problem before eating. If Mia eats 3 by 8 of pizza, what will be left? She asked to her friends. Mia told, that's easy, 5 by 8. Next, all they have eaten the pizza. Next pizza was cut into 6 slices. If J eats 1 by 2 of it, what will be left? Their friends thought very hard, and Surya whispered, if we should change the denominator. So they have changed the denominator, and they have added 1 by 5, 1 plus 5 by 8 plus 4 by 8 is equals to 1, 9 by 8 is equals to 2, 1 by 8 of pizzas are left. Still they have one more piece, one box of pizza. All have enjoyed and eaten the pizza. Thank you.
Wonderful morning to everybody. My name is Trishika. I am from grade 6 in Green Valley Cbse school. I am going to narrate about a clever thinking saves the day. One village, one night, a tired man and his equally exhausted wife was about to sleep. They hear a suspicious voice outside their house. They realized that the thief was attending to in. The man told that the thief hear that the thief was already come in. They loudly talked about their future child named as Rama. The thief confused that they are talking about money. The wife told that Rama in I'll call softly as Rama. When Rama was outside of yard or street, I'll call as Rama loudly. Wife repeatedly called Rama Rama. The thief was panicked to escape from the place. The actual watchman was arrived there and catched the thief. And the two couples quick clever thinking saves their day with Robert. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Varshika and I'm studying in grade 6. Today I am going to say a story about clever thinking saves the day. In a village one night, a tired man and his equally exhausted wife were about to sleep, and they heard suspicious voices outside their house. They quickly realized a thief is attempting to break in. The man listens carefully and notes that the thief might be already inside. The wife instructs him not to react and to lie down, devising a plan to scare the thief away. The thief outside hears their voices and decides to wait until they fall asleep. Inside, the couple begins a loud conversation about naming their future child Rama. This confuses thief who thinks they were discussing about their money. The wife loudly states that if Rama was in the house, I'll call out softly Rama Rama. If he was in the yard or the street, I'll call out louder Rama Rama. This repetitive calling of Rama alarms the thief, making him to believe that they were summoning the village watchman. Panicked, the thief tried to escape. Just as Rama, the actual watchman, arrives. After hearing his name called repeatedly, he came and apprehends the thief. The couple's quick thinking and clever plan has saved them from getting robbed. And Rama, the village Kotwal, ensures the village safety by capturing the thief. Thank you.
Good morning to respected teachers and dear my friends. I am Victoria from Green Valley School with Cbse. Now I am going to narrate the story Clever Thinking Saved the Day. In the village, a tired man and equally exhausted wife were about to sleep. When they heard a suspicious noise outside their house, they quickly realized the thief was attempting inside. The man carefully listens the noise and the man said thief is already inside.
inside. The wife told to lie down and wife set the plans to scare the thief. As the thief is hearing the voice and decided to wait until they sleep. The couples begin to start loud conversation to name their future child Rama. When Rama is outside, I will call Softy Rama. When he is outside the house, I will call Rama loudly. The thief got scared for she's calling for someone. He might be a watchman. The thief tried to escape outside the house. That time Rama came to man's house and cat.
Good afternoon. My name is Kirtana. I am studying in grade 7 in Greenville Cbse school. Now I am going to tell a story about Tenel. Suraj, a young boy who loves adventure and is passionate by trains. He visits to watch a stream by train rushes out of Tenel, and his unexpected meeting with the Sundar Singh, the watchman who looks after the tunnel. The story begins with the afternoon where the railway track broke. Suraj waited near the tunnel to visit the train, but he didn't catch the train. He simply looked it and finding it's magical. He cycled from the town and he hid his cycle in the village and walked to hills to reach a tunnel. When he went there, he heard a train whistling. After the train passes, he curiously thinks to step inside the tunnel, and he finds a hut belongs to the Sundar Singh, the watchman. His duty is to signal the train when there is wrong by showing the red flag in day, and night he will show oil lamp. Sundar Singh also told the Suraj about the night train at 9 o'clock and inviting him to return. Suraj promised to him he will go safe to home. After a week, after next day, he and the watchman Sundar Singh enjoying coffee. They were heard a cut sound in the tunnel, and the Sundar Singh was scared, and they took a hack saving, and they both went into the tunnel. The truck cleared, and the train went in the way. After a week, Suraj and his father came in same train to go to the Delhi on business. Suraj, a young boy, think about the Sundar Singh who always lights when the train are passed. Thank you.
A wonderful to everyone. My name is Indra from grade 6 in grade 1 school, Cbse. My topic is beyond the happening in the night. They love their surrounding. The majestic mountain streets and galaxies, but their loud favorite it
Today I am going to tell a story on adventure brings out inner strength. The story begins on a hot noon in a jungle where the railway track is cut through the towering evergreen trees. Suraj, who was a young boy, was waiting eagerly to watch the midday steam train. He was not there to catch any train, but he thinks the sight of it is very beautiful. He thinks it is magical. Then he hears a distant whistle and rumble, and a train bursts out like a gold, green, and black dragon spitting out sparks. Suraj was very happy, but out of curiosity, Suraj wanted to explore the tunnel. When he reached the exit, he saw a flash of yellow and gold. Then he saw a small hut. When he knocked on the door, a watchman named Sundar Singh opened the door. He introduced himself and joked that the tunnel was his, but officially it is owned by the government. While they chat, Suraj brings up the flash that he saw. Sundar Singh explained that it was a leopard, a visitor of the tunnel. He is friendly and less troubled. So, then Sundar Singh said that there is a night train on 9 p.m. He invited him to return, but Suraj has to get permission from his parents. Then the next day, Suraj came to the same tunnel. Then they came to the little hut where Sundar Singh was. Then Sundar Singh came to check the tunnel, but he heard a sawing sound. He saw that it was the leopard, and he was afraid that the leopard would get hit while the train would pass. So Sundar Singh and Suraj decided to scare it away. The leopard got scared by the shouts and the oil lamp from Sundar Singh and ran away. After ensuring the track was clear, they both stepped aside in time to see the train. So Suraj was very happy. The next week, Suraj and his father were on the same rail train heading to Delhi on business. Then they passed by the same tunnel where Suraj met Sundar Singh, and he recognized the oil lamp. It was Sundar Singh who was holding it. He remembers the fond memories with Sundar Singh, and the train has passed by.
Good afternoon. My name is Karthik. I am from grade 7, Green Valley Cbse School. Today I am going to tell the story on adventures carries inner strength. Once upon a time, there lived a boy named Suraj who loves adventure and fascinated by trains. He goes to the tunnel in afternoon to see the midday steam train. It burst out of the tunnel with many smokes. After the train goes off, he planned to watch what is inside the tunnel. When he stepped inside, he saw a hut in the tunnel. The hut is full of many things, and a man is sitting inside the hut. The watchman of the tunnel, named Sundar Singh. The unexpected meeting with the Sundar Singh made Suraj very happy. They was discussing about the trains which appear in morning, midday, also known as afternoon, and night. Sundar Singh told Suraj that I want to show red flag in mornings when there is any danger in the tunnel, and oil lamps to the trains when there is any danger in the evening and nights. And after, he also told that the 9 o'clock train is the last train which invites me to go to my house. After it, so Suraj tells, tomorrow night I will come to the tunnel by asking my parents' permission. Sundar Singh also told, you cannot come here by not asking your permission to your parents. So Suraj gone to his house and asked permission with her parents. Parents also said okay. Then he came to the tunnel. After some conversations, the train came. The 9 o'clock train came. In that time, before the 9 o'clock train arriving, Sundar Singh told about a leopard, which is his pet, only visiting the tunnel sometimes, and it is familiar and it will not hurt any of the humans which are inside the tunnel. After it, he also tells the tunnel is mine, but it is government's. Like that, he jokes. After the train's horn blows, Suraj hears a sound of a roar. He scares and seeing the tunnel inside very deeply, and he saw a leopard. He scared and Sundar Singh told, no scares because of my pet leopard. But the train horn blows very soundly, and they both took an axe and an oil lamp. The oil lamp light came near the train and the train stopped. After seeing the leopard also saw the axe, so the leopard scared and ran away. After the leopard ran away, the low-cost pilot saw the oil lamp and the leopard ran away, so they also departed from the tunnel, and the night also passed away. And the train, which is after 1 week, the train, the Suraj and his father travelled to Delhi because of his father's business meeting in Delhi, so they gone. After the Suraj recognizes the villages, huts and many trees. After the tunnel came, in the tunnel there was a big oil lamps light up in the darkness. After seeing it, the Suraj recognizes that it is the Sundar Singh who light up the darkness for trains and for his pet leopards. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Yash. I am studying grade 6. My topic is you will be my factor, I will give multiple. We are quite university of where Checo's forces arise. One is simple, one is waste. The first defines a foundation of divisions, complexion into a meaning. The second, endlessly expanding from the first is carrying infinity combination with their wonderful morning to everyone. My name is Hannah. I am studying in grade 6 in Green Cbse school.
Ma, you prepared, right?
Good morning everyone. I am Ashwar. I am studying in grade 6. My school name is Green School. My topic is I am a factor living in my the cat is hungry. The cat is Anish Sharma. I am studying grade 6. My school name is Green Valley School. My topic is you be my friend, I will be your my friend. I am Anish. How I am? I am very silent and very quiet. I am Rico. I am very bright and happy. Rico, you will be my father. I will be your my friend. Anish, why? When you feel small, like a fraction, I will feel cold. We two numbers best friends. We are studying grade 6 and same class. Thank you.
Wonderful morning everyone. My name is Bhumi Satish. I am studying grade 6. Now I am going to tell about you be my factor and your multiple. Once upon a time in the number land, they lived two friends, factor and multiple. Factors were small and careful. Multiple is big and full of energy. Factor said, I can divide the numbers and help them. Multiple said, I can grow the numbers and make them bigger. Factor and multiple decided to play a game. Factor chose the number 2, multiple chose the number 6. Factor said, I am a factor of a 6 because 6 can be divided by me. Multiple said, I am a multiple of a 2. I can multiply 2 with 3. They laughed together and played happily. And factor helped to multiple helped to factor. Next day, from that day, the factor they promised that the factor and multiple promised, you be my factor, I will be your multiple. Thank you.
Wonderful morning to everyone. My name is Tanmaya. Grade 6 in Green Valley School Cbse. I am here to narrate the story Clever Thinking Saved the Day. In a village, one night, a tired man and his equally exhausted wife about to sleep. When they hear specific noise, outside their home. They realized thief and entered, braved in. The man
Wonderful morning to everyone. My name is Sushra. I am studying grade 6. Now I am going to tell about clever thinking saves the day. In a village, one night a tired man who and his equally exhausted wife are about to sleep when they hear suspicious noise from outside their home. They quickly realized the thief attempting breaking. The man carefully listens. The thief be already be inside.
My name is Anish Sharma. I am studying grade 6. My topic is Beyond Earth. One day, Ria was sitting outside and seeing sky and telling what a glowing stars, what a silver moon, like thinking. And Ria was thinking outside of earth what will be, and Ria was dreaming. In cloud, Ria was flying, and back of her, glowing stars and silver moons are coming like she was thinking. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I am Kashi from grade 7 studying in Green Valley Cbse school. Today I am going to tell a story about adventures being out in Nashville. Suraj was a young boy who loves adventure and fascinated by trains. Suraj used to watch a steam train burst out of the tunnel, and his unexpected meeting Sundar Singh, the watchman of the tunnel. He cycled from his town and had left his cycle nearby a village and walked through the hill to reach the tunnel. He saw a hut near the tunnel which belongs to the watchman of the tunnels. Watchman also welcomes the Suraj warmly, joking the tunnel belongs to us, but it belongs to government. Suraj saw a flash inside the tunnel and asked, "What is it?" So Sundar Singh explains it was leopard, the pet of him, who always visit to this tunnel, and a harmless animal. Suddenly they hear a sound from the tunnel. They both recognize that the leopard will be hidden by the oncoming train, and they took an axe and they went near the leopard. Their shouts and lamp scared the leopard. After they came out, and Suraj went to his home. A week later, Suraj rides in the same train with his father, who is heading to Delhi. Suraj thinks of the lonely watchman who lights up the darkness for both trains and leopard. Thank you.
Good afternoon, my name is Subha Prasad. I am studying grade 7 in Green Valley School. Today I am going to tell a story about the tunnel. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Suraj. He loves trains too much. One day he saw a train burst out in the while coming out by passing the tunnel. He knew. He thinks that he should visit the tunnel and see the movement of train pass out through the tunnel. He asked his parents that he will go to the jungle and see the tunnel. Her parents told that, "Be careful, son, my son, that the jungle has many leopards and lions." The Suraj told that, "Okay, Dad, I will go." When he went to the tunnel, he saw a watchman sitting outside through the tunnel. He asked that when the train will come. The watchman replied that at 9 p.m. The Suraj said that, "Why are you lonely? You don't have any children or wives." The watchman told that, No, Suraj, I am lonely with my hut." And this watchman welcomed him to the hut and gave coffee and by telling jokes. The Suraj hears some sounds coming from far away. It indicates the train is coming. He saw a gold color in the tunnel. That the watchman tells that it is leopard. Then Suraj said when the
tunnel and scare the leopard. And the leopard see the action, scare away and went out of the tunnel. The train passed through the tunnel safely and thank you.
Good evening. My name is Anurashri from Grade 7 Greenway Cbse School. I am going to tell about adventures brings up in strength. There was a boy named Suraj who loves adventures. One day he gone to see the train where burst out of tunnel. He unexpected meeting with the watchman of Sundar Singh who took care of tunnel. The story starts with a hot noon. The Suraj was a young boy. He gone to see that a train burst out of tunnel. When the train burst of tunnel, its were black, green and gold sparkle. And after going the train, Suraj was curious to go inside of the tunnel. So he go inside of the tunnel and saw there a leopard inside the bushes. And he find a hunt who lived in Sundar Singh. Sundar Singh welcomed him, and Sundar Singh he joked that the tunnel is his. Suraj was sharing the tunnel. He saw a tunnel spark up, and Sundar Singh asked him, the night train will be come at 9 p.m. You may come with your parents' permission. The Suraj asked their parents' permission and he returned to the hunter. Suraj and Sundar Singh were enjoying the tea with a coolness. They enjoyed the darkness with sound of birds. Then Sundar Singh was lamping lamp for train and jungle. After a few days, the Suraj was ride the same train with his father. He recalled that the adventures with Sundar Singh, and he noticed that Sundar Singh was only who will lights up both train and leopards. Thank you.
A wonderful afternoon to everyone. I am Varshita. I am from grade 4. Today I am going to narrate the story on Admiring Night. One day, Mr. Teacher was teaching a lesson Admiring Night. One girl named Ramya asking doubt. Ma'am, what is meant by admiring night? Admiring the teacher replies, admiring night is what we explore about the night. The teacher asked her, do you know what and all will be in night? In the sky? I know, ma'am, the sky will be in blue color. The teacher replies that, do you know any other thing? No, the girl replied that, I don't know, ma'am. The teacher replies that, in the sky, there will be stars, moons, galaxies and satellites. So, ma'am, how will be the night, ma'am? Ramya asked. For that, the teacher replies that the stars will be bright and shiny. Ma'am, how will be the moon, ma'am? Moon will be in white color. Ma'am, what is Ramya asked that what is the difference between moon and stars, ma'am? The teacher says that moon will be white in color, but stars will be silver and it will be shiny. So now we learn that how the
Rani, she was in a school. In the school, they told there is a trip. After the next day, she was preparing the trip to Athens. When they are going, reaching the spot to go, they are got many problems. They cannot reach afternoon. They reach at night. After the teachers and all they prepare attend to be. In the night they saw the many stars and many things. In that they saw the face of them and many names of. They after they thought that it's very wonderful day to us in all. The students who are the classmates and schoolmates are so happy then all. But the students was so sad. They did not reach on afternoon. They reach at afternoon. They can see many places. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Purnesha Vegas. I am studying grade 6. Now I am going to share a few points about Beyond Earth. Beyond Earth. Ramya was going to sleep and she got a dream about with her mother. She is going to a space. Then the Ramya asked, Ma, why the earth is blue and green color? Her mother replied that the blue indicates the water and green indicates plants. Then they're going a golden color, like the mother replied that the shooting star is going. Suddenly close your eyes and wish. Then the Ramya asked that, Ma, let's we go around all the planets. Then her mother replied that there are 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Uranus, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune. Then she thought let's be explained in a science expo. Thank you.
A very afternoon to one and all present here. I am Agati. I am from grade 6. Today I am going to share you a story about Beyond Earth. One night I sat on my terrace and looked up. The moon smiled at me and the stars twinkled like diamonds. Suddenly a bright shooting star flew across the sky. I closed my eyes and made a wish to see what's beyond Earth. And guess what? My wish come true. In flash, I started flying high above the clouds. I could see our Earth round and blue, so beautiful, and flew near the moon. It said, "Welcome, little traveler." I smiled and went further. I saw red Mars, yellow Jupiter, and golden Saturn. All the planets looked different and wonderful. Far away, shining stars and colorful galaxies. There is many to see what's beyond Earth. When you become big, you can see what's beyond Earth by your studies. So next time when you see every star tells us a story, every sparkle gives a secret. So next time you see the night sky, don't just admire it. The night sky is not empty. It's full of dreams waiting for you and me. Thank you.
My name is Jessica and I am studying medicine. Today I am going to share a short story about admiring the night. One day, a boy named Tom had a very long day. He was tired but he could not relax or not sleep. He went outside and the sky was dark. He looked up. The sky was dark and
grade 7 in Green Valley Cbse School. Today I am going to tell a story about magic of oranges and grapes. There was a farmer with his wife in a village. He don't have any children, but he have a goat who he take as like his one son. One day he was cultivating the seeds in his field. He left his goat on the riverside to grazing the grass. The goat by mistakenly went to the river and drink the water, but the farmer don't know that the water is mixed with acid because the river is connected to the factory, chemical factory. The goat drink the water and died in that stuff. The farmer went and see the goat that goat was died. He was very sad that he take care like a one son the goat, and he think that he should make the solution of destroy the river and make it neutral. He mixed the base to the river and tell to the government that the river is connected to the chemical factory which it kills all animals by drinking water, so that the farmer mixed a base with the river and the river become neutral. Thank you.
Wonderful afternoon everyone. My name is Cbse. I am studying grade. Now I am going to tell about heroes in uniform. Many kinds of uniform serves as person. Identify such as military uniforms. Law encourages cement uniform. Medical uniform. Schools uniform refers to military. Second, who serve with, and uniform is a person symbol of their and committed and their nation. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Sanjay. I am studying grade 6 in Green Valley Cbse School. Refer to mystery, personal,
Start.
Good morning, my name is Sujan. I am studying in grade 7 in Cbse School. I am going to tell colors of Indian geography. Once upon a time there was a boy named Ravi. He was go to ground and he see red and yellow color, and he mixed the red and yellow. He get the orange and he mixed more and more colors, and he get colors of Indian geography.
Good morning. My name is Karthik. I am from grade 7. Today I am going to tell a story on the topic of color of Indian geography. One day, Anaya, a girl studying in grade 7, gone to her school. Her social ma'am gave her an activity to find out and write an assignment of the colors of Indian geography. So, after school, she came home and fresh up and gone out to see the colors of India. There, they posted some posters in that Himalaya is there. In the Himalayas, snows are in white color, so she noted the white color of Himalayas. And she walked and walked. She saw a big farm in that greeny grasses and colorful flowers was there. She noted that. After walking, she gone to a vegetable market. In that vegetable market, she saw the ladies are wearing saris and the men are wearing pant shirts. That colors also she noted. After that, she saw some vegetables, fruits, and some groceries, and that also in yellow, orange, purple, and beetroot, and many colors are there. And she gone and gone. She reached her school. In her school, there is a national flag. In that flag, there are four colors: orange, white, green, and the blue color for Ashok Chakra. She noted that also and returned back to home and write her assignment very neatly. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Kirtana. I am studying in grade 7 in Cbse school. Now I am going to tell about colors of Indian geography. In the class, the teacher was teaching the lesson of colors of Indian geography. The teacher asked the students about that. They said, I don't know. And the teacher also started to explain them. First, the teacher asked the blue color. The blue color represents the water bodies such as lake, river, seas, etc. And the teacher told green color. The children also said green color represents the forest and lands. And the teacher said red color. Red color majorly used for roads and highways. And the teacher also said white color. The white color represents the snow and ice. Now the children learned about Indian geography colors and they also went to home and they explained to parents. Thank you.
Good morning. Once upon a time, there was a little boy named Arjun. His teacher told him to make a painting of the Indian map. He didn't know what to color for the parts of India. So, voice in the wind whispered to him, "Come and see the colors of Indian geography with me." Suddenly, Arjun found himself flying in the sky. First, they reached the great Himalayas. The Himalayas was bright in color. The voice in the wind said that the bright color meant unity and peace. So Arjun painted the Himalayas with a bright white. Then, next they reached the Thar desert. It was in a golden yellow color. So the voice in the wind said that it meant courage. So Arjun painted the Thar deserts with the golden yellow. Next they reached the plains of Ganga. It had green grass and had many crops. The voice in the wind said that it meant life. So Arjun, knowing this, he painted the plains with a bright green. And so he reached the Deccan Plateaus, which had red and brown soil. The voice said it meant bravery and strength. So Arjun painted the plateaus with a deep red and brown. Lastly, they reached the coastal areas where the blue sea was present. The wind said that it meant calmness. So Arjun painted the seas with the bright blue. After finishing the painting, Arjun was taken back to his home. The next day in school, Arjun got the highest mark. Thank you.
Good morning to all of us here. I am Nitarshi from grade 7 studying in Green Valley Cbse school. I am going to tell colors of India's geography. Our India has several colors for nature. White is for snow-capped peaks like Himalaya range including Mount Everest. Blue is for rivers and icy lakes. Green is for forested foothills, alpine meadows, fertile alluvial fields and lush agricultural land. Golden is for ripe crops and floodplains. Golden is for red or brown is for iron-rich soils like Deccan Plateau and Chotanagpur Plateau. In the coastal plains, blue is for rivers and icy lakes. Green is for coconut trees, and red or brown is for sandy beaches. In Indian maps, mountain is colored as brown. Green is for plains, dark green is for coastal plains, and white is for Himalayas. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Cbse from grade 7. Today I am going to tell about colors of Indian geography. There was one girl named Sita. Sita was a clever girl. She asked to her sister what's meant by colors of Indian geography. Her sister told the color codes of represent the physical map platforms. There are 7 primary colors: all blue, black, red, yellow, green, white and grey. The blue represents water bodies like river, oceans, sea, and green represents the platforms areas. The red represents man-made things like road, bridges. The black also represents man-made things for bridges, railways. Grey and white represents snow-covered area and white regions. Now, Sita was clear about the colors of Indian geography. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Deepak Prasad. I am studying in grade 7. Today I want to tell a story about Indian geography. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Chetan who preparing for his karate belt test. He was in yellow belt and next he was going to orange belt. Then he prepared nicely to karate and next day it was the karate belt test. He done well and got orange belt. Then he saw, coming to home, he saw new colors that formed differently. He noticed the colors and came to home and take rest. And next day he went to school. His social ma'am gave a project write about Indian geography. He noticed the colors which saw differently and written in A4 sheet neatly and prepared for the Indian geography and explained at tomorrow to his social ma'am. His social ma'am gave 10 points for his assignment and others gave 9 points because of his presentation. Thank you.
One day, a strong wind hit. Then
medical uniform, school's uniform refers to military. Second, who served with, and uniform is a person symbol of their and committed and their nation. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Ashwin from grade 6. My topic is heroes in uniform. Once upon a time, the boy named Tom was very curious to know about heroes. He thinks that heroes are wearing characters and has special powers. One day, his opposite building was on fire. His neighbor's uncle was calling to fire engine. The fire engine came and they had many firefighters. They put out the fire. After he realized that the heroes are not wearing uniforms. The real heroes are doctors who care and help, teachers who teach us. Thank you.
Wonderful morning to everyone. My name is Hailami. I am from grade 6. My topic is heroes in uniform. Once upon a time, there was a teacher called Didanya and there was a boy called Ram. The teacher asked the boy, why you did not come to school? The Ram told, you talk to my parents. The teacher went to Ram's house and asked his parents, why you did not send to school. His parents told, I don't have sufficient money to pay the fees. The teacher told, I will pay the fees. After few months, the boy can read well. The parents told to the teacher, thank you. Good afternoon, class. My name is Rashika Venkateswaran. Today, let us say about heroes in uniform. Think of a firefighter. He is always ready when the bell rings. When the alarm goes off, he is ready to face a fire at any time. Next, the teacher. A teacher is after a daily day. She even stays after school to teach those children who does not understand the lessons properly. And a soldier. A soldier sacrifices his own life to save ours and the country. These heroes are not superheroes. They also get tired, but they choose to face our problems together. They make our lives better by protecting us. And remember, we should always respect our heroes because they save us from dangerous things. Thank you.
A wonderful afternoon to everyone. I am Ashita. I am from grade 6. Today I am going to narrate a story on heroes in uniform. Let's start our story. Fireman. Do you know what fireman do? A fireman is a brave and important person in our society. His main duty is to put out the fires and save people from the danger. Whenever there is a fire, the fireman reaches the spot quickly with his team. They use this fire engines, water hoses and ladders to control the fire and rescue the people. Now let's see for nurse. Nurse is an important person in the field of medicine. She serves the medicine to the sick and illness people. When them to do more things. Sweepers. Sweepers are very important person. Sweepers are not given enough respect. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon, my name is Devsa studying grade 6. My topic is heroes in uniform. In a town, one boy named Raj, he liked to see heroes. One day in town, flood came and armies and all helped the peoples and they live in safe place
A wonderful morning, everybody. My name is Krishna. I am from grade 6 in Cbse school. I am going to tell about hero in uniform. Once upon a time, there was a village. They are affected by storms. The people was not as a food, and they got many ills. In that period, there was one more boy named as Ramu. Ramu remembered that we should solve this problem. Ramu planned many plans to solve this problem, but he cannot get a good solution. After he remembered that in that school they taught a children's welfare number. In that he called to doctor and firefighters, and the doctors and firefighters came. They planned a plan to take the people from village to city. After they faced more problem to reach the city. After reaching city, they solved all the problems by hills, fruits, and etc. They can be in village, but there is an ocean, but they will get still more effects. That way they change to city. Thank you.
A wonderful morning, children. I am Samudri from grade 6. Now I am going to tell about heroes in uniform. Heroes in uniform. An Indian army. An Indian army we can take, but it's too difficult to hard work we should do it. And when I am in the childhood, I also think like that, but because it's too difficult, and I have also tried, and it's very difficult to take its aim. And the Captain Vikram Batra has taken the Indian army, and his very hard work is and he fighted with the Pakistan versus India, and we have the beautiful news of it. Thank you.
A wonderful morning to the teachers and dear friends. I am Nitya from grade 6. My topic is about heroes in uniform. Heroes in uniform teacher. Mrs. Pravina was more than just a teacher. She was a guiding light for her students with a warm smile and kind answer. She made every children to see and hear. Here, one student, Mariam, struggled with the math problem, often feeling defeated. Mrs. Pravina noticed the struggle with the took him under his wings. She patiently explained the concept with real-life explanation.
teachers, garbage cleaners, lawyers. They were very hard to keep us safe and happy. Now let me tell about teacher. Teacher makes a student smart and brave, and they gain as a good and kind people. Then now let me explain about garbage cleaners. A garbage cleaners help keep our surrounding clean. They were very hot even early in the morning. Please clean your place. Now let me explain a lawyer. A lawyer is a person who helps poor people are trouble. They help the right people who give respect to wear in a uniform. Thank you.
A wonderful morning to everyone. I am Monica from grade 6, Green Valley School. I am here to narrate a story on heroes in uniform. While you celebrate movie stars or sports icons, the real heroes are police officers, soldiers, who keeps our state safe, our country safe. Now let me begin my story. A girl named Tia who likes to see movies. She had a plan to go on theatre on her holidays. While she was going to the movie, she saw a sweeper was sweeping around. She said, "Why do you do this work?" She asked, "If I do this work, our streets, societies will be clean." She said, "Thank you for cleaning our streets and societies," and she moved to her theatre. While she went to the theatre, a few of the police officers were taking care of the theatre or something has happened. Even though by mistake someone had, with the help of matchstick, fired the theatre. In that place, the police called to the firefighters and they had destroyed the fire which had on the theatre. Everybody thanked to the firefighters. After she came out of the theatre, she saw few of the members got hurted by the fire. They were gone by the ambulance and helped by the doctor. Everybody were wearing the uniform and helped people to live a long. Ria learned a lesson from this her own life story. Thank you.
Wonderful morning to everyone. My name is Lakshmi and today I am going to tell about the teachers. Once upon a time there were a teacher, village teacher called Sita. And the teacher going to the room, the teacher saw the one boy called Rama. And the teacher go to the boy near and why you did not go to the school, the teacher asked her. The boy said, "I don't want to read the books." The teacher said, "Show your room." The boy and the teacher gone here, go to the home, and the teacher asked to their parents, "Why you did not send your children to the school?" And the parents said, "We are not having sufficient fees, money to pay the fees." And the teacher said, "I will itself pay the fees." And the teacher and the parents said, "I will send tomorrow." And the students after few months know to read the books. And the parents and the students said, "Thank you to teacher, thank you."
Good morning everyone. I am Ashwin from grade 6. My topic is heroes in uniform. One day
and there was a boy named Aaron. He loved watching movies about superheroes. He thought heroes are those who we have special powers and colorful caps. One day, a heavy rain in his town. Heavy rain in his town. Suddenly, the water started rising and roads were flooded. People scared and didn't know what to do. Suddenly, some people were coming in boats and jeeps. They were police officers and soldiers. They were helping people, rescuing old people, carrying them and giving them food to the hungry Arav and soldier, since he had not eaten anything from morning, so he was very tired, but still he was smiling. Aru suppressed and went near to them and asked, "Uncle, aren't you hungry?" The soldier smiled and said softly, "When we help others, we forget our tiredness. This is our duty." Aru surprised and he understood heroes are not only in movies. Heroes are those who work hard and work for us every day. He began to think, who work us every day? The doctors who cure us, the teachers who teach us, the sweepers who clean our house every day. They are our real heroes. Arav understood a very good lesson that day. Very good lesson that day. The value of work is not just what work we do, how honestly and kindly we do it. Thank you. Wonderful morning to everyone. My name is Anish Patwa. My topic is Hero in Uniform. One day my father, mother and child, the child age is 8 years. One day the father and mother going to outside in bulk. The father and mother putting helmet but didn't put the child because the child is so smart. Then they going by the tell one truck was hit. Then father and mother didn't hit because father and mother putting helmet but didn't put the child helmet into his head and blood was so sorry. Then later went to hospital. When doctor was said blood was so lost. Then doctor was doing operation. Then doctor was saying to father and mother, now child is okay. This called hero in uniform doctor. Thank you.
Start.
Good morning, my name is Sujan. I am studying in Cbse school. I am going to tell colors of Indian geography. Once upon a time there was a boy named Ravi. He was go to brown and see red and yellow color, and he mixed the red and yellow. He get the orange and he mixed more and more colors and he get colors of Indian geography. To tell the story about the colors of Indian geography. There was a girl named Divya. She went to park with her mother. She saw that chart about colors of Indian geography. She asked with her mother what is called colors of Indian geography. There are 7 primary colors includes in Indian geography that were brown, blue, green, yellow, black and grey and white. Brown represent the hills and mountains. Blue represent the water bodies like ocean, seas and lakes. Yellow represent the
graph representing the man-made features like railways and bridges. Grey or white represent for snow-covered areas and cold regions. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Navdeep. I am studying in grade 7, Green Valley School, Cbse. Today I am going to tell about colors of Indian geography. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Gopal. He went for a park and he saw the color orange and green. He mixed the colors and he got the brown color. After he went to his home and he mixed the all colors